Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Cassandra. So fall is among us and I wanted to show you guys some cute colors that I had from OPI. Some of them are new, some of them are some old favorites, but these are some great colors for the fall and winter months. So the bottom row are some cute colors I had from before, and the top are some new colors that I bought from Sally Beauty recently. So I'm going to be testing out the colors on these practice nail sticks that I bought from Amazon. They come in really handy and it's pretty cheap. I'll leave the link in the description below. So I'm going to be starting with the newer colors. This one's called Is Norse. Very interesting name, but it's such a gorgeous gray blue. It's your typical color for fall, winter, like honestly just the colder months, but it's very, very nice. And honestly, I love OPI so much. They have one of the best color ranges and one of my favorite brushes. And as you can see on my actual acrylics, this is the exact color I have on, so you can get a better look of it. It's gorgeous. When I seen this color, I knew I had to have it, and then when I seen the name, I was like, yes, most definitely. It's called Miami Beet. It's such a bold color for the season. It's gorgeous. It reminded me of when I was in Miami last year. I really wanted to go again this year, but I mean, you know, COVID. So we'll have to stick with the nail polish for now. But it's a gorgeous pinky purple. It's really, really pretty, especially, again, if you like the bold colors. I love it. So this one's called Ring Bearer, and it kind of gives me a green gray kind of vibe. And off the bat, I kind of knew that it was going to be pretty translucent. So a color like this, you're going to want either 2 or 3 coats. This one is Taupe-less Beach, a nice little play on words. I love it. Very, very subtle color, a nice light gray, kind of a lavender look. If you're kind of not really the bold, kind of in your face kind of person when it comes to your nails, this is a gorgeous color to go with for your everyday look, work in an office, whatever the case is. Really, really beautiful. So this nude kind of sandy-ish color is a beautiful color for an everyday. It's called Tiramisu For Two. Such a cute name. I really like it. Again, same thing with the Taupe-less Beach. If you're for the kind of subtle colors, the everyday look, this is another gorgeous color to go with. And side note, another reason why I absolutely love OPI, you can do so many layers and they never create streaks. I love it. This one's called Aurora Berry-Alis. Very beautiful dusty pink. It's so gorgeous. A nice, more of a fall color, I'd say, versus winter. It's very feminine. It goes on so amazingly and it's just a really nice overall color. So this is the finished product of the first batch. It came out really nice. Each color has 2 coats and a top coat, and they're pretty shiny. Honestly, it's the ring bearer that surprised me the most because it came out so gorgeous. I really didn't expect it to come out so nice, but I'm very happy. So now I'll get started on the batch with the older colors. This gorgeous olive green is called Uh-Oh, Roll Down the Window. Such a cute name. I love this color. Anytime I ever wear it, I always get compliments. It's just your everyday green. It's super fallish. Definitely perfect for any kind of occasion all through the year, but it definitely stands out in autumn. So this is one of my all-time OG favorites, the Mariah Carey holiday collection called Visions of Love. Everyone knows that Mariah is Christmas queen, and this color is just screaming deck the halls. I love the wine color. It's very vintage. It's a very throwback color. I really love it. You'll see a lot of mature women wearing it, and I love it. This beautiful deep purple is called Miss You-Niverse, and as you can see, it's You-Niverse. Very cute. Very, very beautiful color. It's very deep, definitely appropriate for both fall and winter, seeing as it's such a dark color. I really love it, seeing as purple is my favorite color of all time, and I'm a little biased. So this color, I Can Never Hut Up, kind of reminded me a little bit of Ring Bearer, but it has a little bit less of the green undertone in it. This color is gorgeous, and I think it would be perfect for the Christmas and holiday season because it does have that shimmer, but it goes on really, really pretty. So I don't even know how to describe this color. I'd probably say it's also kind of a gray greenish, but it does have the shimmer as I mentioned. And with the 2 coats of this polish, it comes out looking so nice. Like, this is a color that I would want to wear all through the year, but most definitely during the holiday season, just because of that shimmer. So any OPI fans know that this is another OG called Muir Muir on the Wall. This color is just so nice. It's like a metallic plum, kind of a dark, kind of a reddish. It can kind of go with anything really. It's a really nice fall and winter color. I personally would probably wear it closer to the holiday time, closer to Christmas. You know, you want to show off the nails for the Christmas dinner, you know, all of that. But the thing is with this, you definitely do need 2 or 3 coats for it to actually show up. But once that second coat hits, it is so fire. Like, just look at it. It really shows that red and that dark undertone, and it just looks so amazing. Last but certainly not least, one of my other favorites, Never Give Up. And side note, that should be an affirmation you should be telling yourself every day. Just saying. Anyways, this is such a beautiful, deep, dark purple. This is something I would wear all through the year because I really do like the darker colors, but it is a beautiful fall color. September, October kind of weather, gorgeous color to go with any kind of outfit. A nice cardigan, just imagine it. From afar, this color could even come off as black, so it can even go for Halloween. Why the hell not? I really love this color. It's a beautiful dark plum, very sultry, very, very nice. So this is the final look of the second batch when they're completely dry with 2 coats and the top coat on it. very pretty. I really love how all of them came out. These are some OG colors and they're just so fall and winter appropriate. They're just so pretty. So this is the final product of what they all look like when they're completely dry. And I think they came out really nice. I'm very happy. I'm a firm believer that you can wear any color, no matter if it's winter, fall, summer, or spring. Rock it how you please. So do you have a favorite color? Let me know in the comments below. Bye.